You're watching The Beginner's Guide, powered by the Christmas Light Academy, the #1 employee training system for Christmas light businesses. Tired of wasting time training new hires? Now you don't have to. Give your team the tools they need to succeed without the headache. Click the link below to unlock a special offer available only here.
All right, now let's talk about something that's just as important as the install itself: estimating a project. Whether you're the one giving quotes or just helping measure for the lead installer, understanding how to properly estimate a job will help set the right expectations for both the company and the customer. At the end of the day, customers want to know two things: how much is this going to cost, and what exactly am I paying for? A clear and accurate estimate helps avoid surprises and makes the entire process smoother. Measuring the home. The first step in an estimate is determining how much track and lighting will be needed. There are two ways to do this: in-person measurements. If measuring on-site, use a tape measure wheel or a laser measurer to quickly measure roof lines, gables, and peaks. Using Google Earth. Many installers prefer to measure homes digitally using Google Earth or similar mapping tools. This allows for quick and accurate measurements without needing to visit the home in person. Once you have your measurements, make sure to account for all areas the customer wants to be lit, including front-facing roof lines, dormers, peaks, and any detached structures like garages or pergolas. Explaining the estimate to the customer. When doing an estimate, it's important to base it off of a real layout and design. This ensures that you're accounting for accurate material needs. There are no surprises on install day with missing track or extra wiring. If the project is sold, there's no need to go back and remeasure or double-check things. Customers appreciate transparency, so walk them through the estimate and explain how the pricing is determined. If a customer seems hesitant about the cost, don't just throw out a number. Explain the value of what they're getting. This is a professional-grade system that's built to last. Your lights will be custom fit to your home for a seamless look. You'll have full control over your lighting year-round, with no need to climb ladders or pay for holiday light installations every year. Final tips for estimating a project. Measure carefully. Mistakes in measurements can lead to ordering too much or too little material. Base the estimate on a real design. This avoids problems on install day and ensures accuracy. Be upfront about extra costs. Surprises on the final bill can lead to unhappy customers. Know how to explain the price. Customers are more willing to pay if they understand what they're getting. Confidence matters. If you believe in the product, the customer will too.